Playing on the beat.
So best friends, I have a curly 18-inch wig from Megalook, and this is what the packaging looks like. This is a lace front wig. It's about, I think it might be a 13 by 6, you guys, because the parting in the middle is pretty long. All right, so let's go in and do all the customizations and everything like that. This is transparent lace. All right, so she is white. We are going to have to tint her to my color that I need. All right, so I did go ahead and bleach her off camera, and this is what she looks like after bleaching and after conditioning. I used 40 volume with Quick Blue, and then I let it sit for 20 minutes, and then I used what did I use? I used Garnier Fructis to wash her, and then to condition her I used my silicone mix. And look at these curls, they are beautiful. So because this is like really curly hair, I did decide that I was going to go ahead and cut layers into it, subtle layers, not nothing too big. And so I did my razor comb, and then I just lightly went through and gave it like layers in it. You're gonna see the effect that this does. You could cut more layers in it, and it's gonna get like a curl fro look. So I didn't do too many layers, but I'm going to after I am gonna go, when I take this wig off, because I still have it on, I am gonna go ahead and put more layers into it, because yeah, I like the roundness. I want to have it more shaped and everything like that. So that's what I'm doing right now.
Playing on the beat.
So after all the layers are cut in there, I'm going to go ahead with my baby hair items, and I'm going to, you know, just mold the baby hair. So I'm going to spray the hairline with water, use mousse, I'm going to comb it through, and then I'm going to just go ahead and pull out some baby hairs that I like.
Playing on the beat. Playing on the beat. Playing on the beat.
Once the baby hairs are formed onto the wig, I'm going to spray the hairline lightly with my Got2b freeze spray. This just helps keeps everything in place. And I'm going to use my rapid strips to tie her down, and I'm going to sit her under the dryer. So let's do this quick install. So this is what she looks like completely dry. She's very much tamed, but we're gonna fluff her up once we put her on. So this is what she's looking like, all right? So she looks really good. I am gonna use actual lace glue to adhere her because I wanna wear this wig for a little while. So I'm gonna use my Boho Active with my handy dandy brush, and I'm going to put 3 layers on there. All right, so I like to use the brush because the brush makes everything a little bit neater. And also, you don't use as much product as you would if you was to use your fingers or any other utensils, because you spread it out pretty thin when you're putting it on, so it end up drying quicker, faster. You save product, and honestly, I feel like my wig hold's been better since I started doing it this way. So let's lay this lace on down. So do not push your lace into your glue unless you are absolutely sure that's where you want your lace to sit, okay? When you are ready to, when you know exactly where you want your lace to sit, then go ahead and push the lace into the glue. You could take a blow dryer and blow dry it on warm to help melt it in even further. I did not do that on this video. I ended up just cutting the lace off and yeah, doing an elastic band to help set my lace and my glue. So this lace is white and I'm very much chocolate, okay? So I need to make sure that it matches my skin tone perfectly. Now this foundation actually matches my skin tone when I do not have any, and I mean any makeup on. Like, it is a perfect match. All right, so I am going to put that all over the lace, and once it's all over there, I'm gonna just go ahead and cut off the excessive lace. Now, this wouldn't be a sin tutorial if I did not curl my baby hair, so that's what I'm doing here. And then I use my spritz to lay her down. And I do the exact same thing to the other side of my hairline. You know, cut the lace off, curl the baby hairs, using spritz and a baby edge brush, and lay your baby hairs down. Okay, best friend, we are almost finished. Okay, so I'm gonna pin my hair out of the way because I'm about to use an elastic band to help me do the melt method. So I'm gonna take my Eben lace spray, I'm gonna spray my hairline, and I'm gonna take my elastic bands, and I'm going to wrap her down for about 20 minutes. And then this is what my hairline looked like. She is on there nice. Okay, she looks good. So at this point, it's just styling and fluffing and all of that good stuff. So it's up to you how big you want your hair. This hair could definitely get big, but I didn't want it too big, but I did want it to have some fullness look to it, some fluffiness to it. So I did play with it, and I did go in with my scissors and just kind of shape it. And like I said, I can't really shape it while it's on me because it's just hard to do, and I can't really see the back. So I'm gonna have to really shape it once I take my wig off. But yeah, so I'm just trying to shape and frame the front of the hairline and not do too much. I didn't cut too much off when I did this, but yeah. Okay, you guys, so this is the ending of this video. This hair is really cute. And this hair is from Mega Look, like I showed you guys in the beginning. I did kind of try to shape it a little bit, but I have to shape this when it's off my head because it'll be easier for me to do it because I just don't want to hack into it. But this is so cute. I cut layers in it so it could give me this volume. And if you want the same thing, instead of it being flat, you could do the exact same thing, cut light layers off. This wig is super full, like it's super full and it's super pretty, and it's very, very much soft. I'm not receiving shedding, but then again, I'm not really combing through the hair. When I did comb through the hair, I did not get any shedding. I did bleach the knots off camera, and yeah, and so she reminds me of my natural hair texture. Please feel free to leave me a comment down below in the description box. You guys can always send me a DM on my social media. I'm very much active on Instagram and Facebook, and I'm starting to get active on TikTok. TikTok is kind of hard for me to grasp, but I'm gonna grasp it though. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye best friends.
Playing on the beat.